In today's video, I'm going to teach you GetFormly Full Tutorial 2026. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for GetFormly. From the search results, look for the official GetFormly website and open it. Once you land on the homepage, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so you know you're in the right place. When you're on the homepage, look for a button such as Get Started, Sign Up, or something similar. This is usually placed in a clear, visible area of the page. Click that button to begin creating your account. If you want to try the platform for yourself while following along, you can use the affiliate link in the description. On the sign up page, enter the required information such as your email address and password. Depending on what Formly currently offers, you may also see alternative sign up options such as continuing with another account provider. If those options are available, you can choose whichever method is most convenient. After entering your information, complete the registration process and continue to the next screen. If Formly asks you to verify your account, open your email inbox and look for the verification message from GetFormly. Open that email and click the verification button or follow the instructions provided inside the message. This step is important because it confirms your account and helps you unlock full access to the platform. After verification is complete, return to the GetFormly website. Now enter your account credentials and click the login button, or the equivalent option shown on the screen. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. At this point, spend a few seconds looking around the dashboard. This is where new users can usually find the main navigation, account tools, and the core areas used to create or manage forms. If you're completely new to the platform, it's helpful to notice where the primary menu is located and which sections appear most important for getting started. Next, begin using GetFormly by going to the area where you can create or manage forms. For a beginner, the first basic action is simply opening the form creation area or selecting the option to start a new form. Keep this part simple and focus on understanding where the main tools are rather than trying to do too much all at once. That's the basic setup process. You now know how to sign up for GetFormly, verify your account, log in, access the dashboard, and start using the platform through the website. If you want to try it yourself, remember that you can use the affiliate link in the description. Thanks for watching.